Hello and welcome to Elite Geospatial. Today we're going to look at how to convert shapefile to KML. Now, this is particularly in use when you want to use SAS planning, for example. You want to maybe have the boundary of Abuja on the SAS planet. So this is one of the application I can think of right now. So to do that, you go to conversion tool, and on conversion tool you go to on conversion tool you go to KML. So we have from and to. So that's basically maybe you're converting from so and then you're going to this. So we're going to convert from layer to KML. Alright. So click on this. And then the layer is our Abuja, which is what we have here. And we're just going to leave every other thing and then we'll just click on OK. Even the folder of output, we want it to be default. So we'll just, from here, we can easily just export it. So there you have it. So it's currently on KML. So if we remove this one, we still have this. So currently this is on KML, and this is how you convert your shapefile, your future class, or anything from a layer, because anything here is basically a layer from a layer to a KML. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.